Hey, what's up, folks? I'm Jesse with Carolina Whitetails, and I'm coming at you again with another good video. I haven't put out any hunting videos of me hunting here lately, but not for lack of trying. We've been hunting, seeing a lot of young bucks, a lot of does, a lot of small bucks chasing does, but we just ain't seen the right one. Me, Michael, a couple other guys, we've been on them. We've been hitting them hard, but we just ain't got it done yet. As you seen on the last video I posted, a good buddy of mine, his nephew, killed an awesome 8-pointer. But it's let's see, it's November 30th, and instead of going steel hunting this morning, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna go back old school. And when I first started out hunting, I'll show it to you in a second ago, but the first deer I ever killed, the first buck, first deer in general really that I ever killed was I killed him running dogs, hunting with a dog club. Some good friends of mine, and I picked up a lot of a lot of passion. The reason that I feel like I do about hunting is from those early years, and I know people have mixed feelings about it. Some steel hunters don't like it, but I'm a steel hunter. But I love the sport of running dogs, the sport of having good dogs that will jump and run, and the whole deal, man. I love it. So we're gonna switch it up. I'm getting up with a buddy of mine today, and an old friend, an old hunting buddy, and we're gonna head out and turn some dogs loose and see what happens. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get something. Y'all stay tuned and keep following Carolina Whitetails. We appreciate it. All right, this buck right here behind me, this 6-pointer, not a total, monster deer or anything like that, but this was my first deer ever. Not my first doe, not my first buck, this was my first deer, period. So I thought I was on top of the world when I killed this 6-pointer. So, I'm sure this has a lot to do with my love for the sport of running dogs and hunting in general. So, y'all come on with us and check us out, and hopefully it'll be a successful hunt. So I'm hoping we're gonna see something. If not, kill something. I hope we at least hear a good race. It should be a fun day. I'm looking forward to it. These boys are ready to hunt. Let's get to it. I didn't even think about how I'm going, if I get a chance to shoot at a deer. I didn't even think about how I'm gonna film it, because I didn't bring none of my camera equipment, to stake it in the ground or put it on a tripod or the other contraptions I got to hold my camera. I didn't even think about it because I didn't want to lug all that stuff in here. I didn't know how far I'd have to walk, but hopefully we'll get some good footage. But I hear some dogs off in the distance, so let me get off of here so I don't look like a fool standing here talking to a camera, and then a herd of deer or a monster buck comes running by.
Get on it.
Man, they are burning something up. We just got to catch up to it. Alright folks, well we just got back. Man, what an awesome day, man. Heard some great races, some great runs. A few guys killed a couple does, run a lot of deer today, but some of them got by us. But man, what an awesome day. Full of action all day long. We would catch the dogs, and then drop them off again. And man, it was just an awesome day. And like I was saying earlier, it's not always about the kill, the actual kill. It's about more or less the hunt, the awesome camaraderie with other hunters. You know, seeing those dogs, man, they get after it, they get it up. You know, start hunting and hunt up a deer, and man, it's awesome. And I hope to get back to it and you know, go running dogs some more. But I love it. But for right now, I'm gonna get back to steel hunting and try to get that buck I've been after, or one of the bucks I've been after that I've been seeing on trail cam. But hey, look, I appreciate y'all watching this video. I apologize for being a little bit shaky at times, but I didn't have, and that's the only way I was trying to cut in front of the dogs, and I had the camera and holding the gun, and just a awesome day. But I appreciate y'all watching this video, and just keep an open mind, man. If you've never been running dogs before and you got a different opinion, you know, don't knock it till you try it. But anyway, that's all for now. I'm wore out, man. I'm fixing to hit the sack. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Y'all keep following Carolina Whitetails.